Every brand starts somewhere. We'll give ours a name, Ember and Stone, and get going. First, the basics. We're building a new brand from scratch. A company, not a product line. Our primary market is the United States, national scope. Growth ambition, national player. No website yet, and that's perfectly fine. Now we describe the business. Premium handcrafted home fragrance, soy candles, incense, and room sprays inspired by American national parks, refillable stoneware vessels. That's our story. We're at the idea stage, and for the problem we solve and what makes us different, let's see what the AI suggests based on what we just wrote. Those read well. We'll keep them. Market position. The AI suggests an industry category and real competitors in our space. PF Candle Company. Boy Smells. Keep. Slow North. We'll add all four. Each one gets analyzed automatically. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, market positioning. That would take hours to research manually. Now, where do we position ourselves? Premium pricing, innovative, and personal. We want the brand to feel human. Who are we building this for? The AI suggests an audience name, Wanderlust Aesthetes. We'll set the age range, and then let the AI build the full profile. Psychographics, pain points, desires, core values, the full picture, generated in seconds. We can fine-tune what matters. Here, we're reordering the pain points to put the most important ones first. The AI also recommends communication channels and maps out purchase behavior. What drives this audience to buy, and how they discover brands like ours. Where is this brand going? The AI drafts a one-year vision. We'll pick the one about establishing presence in premium retail locations across 40 states. The 5-year vision goes bigger, becoming America's most trusted curator of place-based wellness. And then, concrete success metrics to track progress. Retail presence, brand differentiation, net promoter score, real targets with real timelines. This is where it all comes together. The AI takes everything we've built and generates a complete brand strategy. A positioning statement, market gaps, positioning opportunities, competitive advantages, audience insights, a strategic direction, key differentiators, a phased roadmap, risks to watch, and early success indicators. You can edit any of it, and when you're ready, download the full report as a PDF. That's BrandDNA. From a blank page to a complete strategic foundation in about 5 minutes.